Your body leaks strength in the quiet moments, when posture fades, when the core switches off, and when joints stop feeling connected. Today is about fixing those weak links, not by moving more, but by holding better. Welcome to day 18 of 15-Minute Physique, where we use isometric strength holds to lock in stability, sharpen core stiffness, and teach your muscles how to stay strong under constant tension. Today's session focuses on static tension. That means your muscles stay active without visible movement. This kind of training strengthens joints, improves body control, and creates a solid foundation for safer, stronger performance in every workout that follows. Isometric holds train the nervous system to maintain force and alignment, which is essential for posture, balance, and long-term strength. We begin with the quarter-range squat compression hold. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower into a shallow squat, stopping about a quarter of the way down. Keep your chest upright, knees aligned with your toes, and weight evenly distributed through your heels and midfoot. Once you reach the position, stop moving completely. Press your feet into the floor as if you want to stand up, but do not rise. Hold this position for 40 seconds, breathing slowly and under control. This exercise strengthens the knees, hips, and ankles and teaches your lower body to handle pressure without movement, improving joint stability and leg control. Next, move into the standing glute squeeze lock. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. Lock the hips in place while keeping your ribs down and spine neutral. Avoid arching your lower back or leaning backward. Stay completely still and hold this tension for 30 to 40 seconds while breathing calmly. This hold improves pelvic stability, posture, and lower back support by teaching your glutes to stay active even when you are not moving. After that, set up for the pike hold. Place your hands firmly on the floor under your shoulders and lift your hips upward to create an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your arms straight, shoulders active, and core tight. Push the floor away with your hands and hold this position for 30 to 40 seconds with slow, steady breathing. The pike hold builds shoulder joint stability, strengthens the upper body, and reinforces core stiffness, helping your body stay controlled during pushing and overhead movements. We then transition to the dead bug isometric freeze. Lie flat on your back with your arms and legs bent. Extend one arm and the opposite leg while pressing your lower back firmly into the floor. Once extended, freeze in that position without letting your back lift or your limbs drift. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. This exercise trains your core to resist movement, protecting the spine and improving coordination between the upper and lower body. To finish the session, we perform the heel shift standing hold. Stand upright and slowly shift your body weight toward your heels while keeping your toes lightly in contact with the floor. Maintain a tall posture with soft knees and steady balance. Hold this position for 30 seconds with relaxed breathing. This hold strengthens the feet, ankles, and knees, improving balance and lower body stability, which are often overlooked but critical for strong movement. Today's workout shows that strength is not only built through motion, it is built through control, alignment, and the ability to maintain tension when nothing is moving. By training these isometric holds, you are strengthening the foundations of your body, making every future rep stronger, safer, and more efficient. Day 18 is complete. Next, on day 19, we push total volume to stimulate growth and strength. You've just trained a level of strength that most people ignore, but your body depends on every day.